Welcome to Easy Way of Learning 10th Standard Social Science. One mark question and answers. Civics Unit 2 Central Government. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. The constitutional head of the Union is option A, the President, option B, the Chief Justice, option C, the Prime Minister, option D, Council of Ministers. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option A, the President.
Question number 2. Who is the real executive in a parliamentary type of government? Option A, Army, option B, the Prime Minister, option C, the President, option D, Judiciary. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option D, the Prime Minister.
Question number 3. Who among the following decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Option A, the President, option B, Attorney General, option C, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, option D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which is the correct answer?
The correct answer is option D, Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Question number 4. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the option A, the President, option B, Lok Sabha, option C, the Prime Minister, option D, Rajya Sabha. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option B, Lok Sabha.
Question number 5. The joint setting of an Indian Parliament for transacting legislative business are presided over by option A, senior most member of Parliament, option B, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, option C, the President of India, option D, the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option B, Speaker of the Lok Sabha.
Question number 6. What is the minimum age laid down for a candidate to seek election to the Lok Sabha? Option A, 18 years, option B, 21 years, option C, 25 years, option D, 30 years. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option C, 25 years.
Question number 7. The authority to alter the boundaries of state in India rests with option A, the President, option B, the Prime Minister, option C, state government, option D, Parliament. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option D, Parliament.
Question number 8. Under which article the President is vested with the power to proclaim financial emergency? Option A, Article 352. Option B, Article 360. Option C, Article 356. Option D, Article 365. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option B, Article 360.
Question number 9. The Chief Justice and the other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by Option A, the President. Option B, the Attorney General. Option C, the Governor. Option D, the Prime Minister. Which is the correct answer?
The correct answer is option A, the President.
Question number 10. Dispute between states of India comes to the Supreme Court under Option A, appellate jurisdiction. Option B, original jurisdiction. Option C, advisory jurisdiction. Option D, none of these. Which is the correct answer?
The correct answer is option B, original jurisdiction.
Question number 11. If you are elected as a President of India, which of the following decision can you take on your own? Option A, nominate the leaders of your choice to the Council of Ministers. Option B, ask for reconsideration of a bill passed by both the houses. Option C, select the person you like as a Prime Minister. Option D, dismiss a Prime Minister who has a majority in the Lok Sabha. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option B, ask for reconsideration of a bill passed by both the houses.
Second room letter, filling the blanks. Question number 1. Dash bill cannot be introduced in the Parliament without President's approval.
Money bill.
Question number 2. Dash is the leader of the nation and chief spokesperson of the country.
Prime Minister.
Question number 3. Dash is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha.
Vice President.
Question number 4. The President generally nominates 2 members belonging to the Dash community to the Lok Sabha.
Anglo-Indian.
Question number 5. Dash has a right to speak and to take part in the proceeding of both houses of the Parliament.
Attorney General of India.
Question number 6. The Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold the office up to the age of dash years.
65 years.
Question number 7. Dash is the guardian of Constitution.
The Supreme Court.
Question number 8. At present, the Supreme Court consists of dash judges including the Chief Justice.
28 judges.
Third Roman letter, choose the correct statement. Question number 1. First, total members of Rajya Sabha is 250. Second, the 12 nominated members shall be chosen by the President from amongst persons experienced in the field of literature, science, art or social service. Third, the members of Rajya Sabha should not be less than 30 years of age. Fourth, the members of Rajya Sabha are directly elected by the peoples. Option A, second and fourth are correct. Option B, third and fourth are correct. Option C, first and fourth are correct. Option D, first, second and third are correct. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option D. First, second and third are correct.
Question number 2. First, the Chief Justice and other judges of Supreme Court hold the office up to the age of 62 years. Second, judiciary is a third organ of government. Third, the cases involving fundamental rights come under the appellate jurisdiction of a Supreme Court. Fourth, the law declared by Supreme Court is binding on all courts within the territory of India. Option A, second and fourth are correct. Option B, third and fourth are correct. Option C, first and fourth are correct. Option D, first and second are correct. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option A. Second and fourth are correct.
Question number 3. Assertion. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and it cannot be resolved. Reason. 1/3 of members of Rajya Sabha retire every 2 years and new members are elected to fill the seats thus vacated. Option A is false but R is true. Option B, A is false but R is true. Option C, both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. Option D, both A and R are true and R is not the correct reason for A. Which is the correct answer?
The correct option is option C. Both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A.
Fourth Roman letter, match the following. The questions are Article 53, State Emergency, Article 63, Internal Emergency, Article 356, Executive Power of President, Article 76, Office of Vice President, Article 352, Office of the Attorney General. The answers are Article 53.
Executive power of President.
Article 63.
Office of the Vice President.
Article 356.
State Emergency.
Article 76.
Office of the Attorney General.
Article 352.
Internal Emergency.